Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on Little's Law YouTube channel. In this video, we will see the difference between the PS AUX and the top command in Linux, and this is always an important question in the Linux interviews. So let's now see the difference between the PS AUX and the top command. So let's now first start with the PS AUX command. So the PS is the powerful utility that provides information about running process on a Linux system. So here we are seeing the running process, the information about the running process on the Linux system. Since there is very less process, so here you can see the less process, which are the processes which are running on the Linux system. And when we enter PS minus A, so this lists the processes of all the users on the system rather than just the current user, and this is the total list of processes of all the users. And when it comes to PS-U, so this option specifies the user oriented format for the output, which includes the details like the username, the process ID, the CPU usage, the memory usage, the start time, and the command name. So here we can see all the other options. Mostly these are related to the user oriented format, and they output the details such as the username, the process ID, the CPU, memory, the start time, the command name, and everything. And then when it comes to the PS minus X, so this command or this option displays the processes that do not have a controlling terminal, and they are typically the background processes or daemons. So when we now execute all these three, the PS, A, U, X, so we get a static snapshot. So that's the difference between the top command and the PS minus AUX command. So this PS minus AUX gives a static snapshot of the current current state of processes system. So the output displays multiple columns with the information about each process, such as the user who started it, the process ID, the CPU, the memory resources it is using, the command it was launched with, and other details. So this command can be useful for inspecting the system's process table and obtaining specific information about the processes. So let's now move to the top command. So in fact, we have already seen a video on the top command, but anyways, let me give you a quick walkthrough. So this top command provides the real-time monitoring of system processes and resource utilization. So as I have already told you, the PS minus AUX is the static snapshot, and the top command is the real-time monitoring of system processes. So when we run the top command, it continuously updates the display at a specified interval. So usually it comes in very few seconds, showing the most resource intensive processes at the top of the list. Also, this top offers an interactive interface that allows us to sort the processes based on different criteria. So we can even sort these list based on the CPU usage, the memory usage, and much more. So on top of this, the top also provides system level statistics, including the overall CPU usage, the memory usage, and the system uptime. So finally, to end up, the top command provides a dynamic view of the system's performance and continuously refreshes. So here you can see it continuously refreshes the output, allowing us to monitor the changes in resource utilization over time. And this is especially useful for identifying processes that consume excessive CPU or memory resources, the system load, and observing any performance anomalies in real time. So to summarize, PS AUX is a command that gives a one-time snapshot of the system's process, whereas the top provides an interactive and continuously updated view of process and resource utilization, allowing us to monitor system performances in real time. So with that, we come to an end. Until I meet you in another interesting and informative video, it's bye bye from Vasan Shanmugam and Little's Law.